In front of me is Cubot X70 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Select Google Password Manager and click on any password that you wish to check. Now enter your current login method and use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!